Hello everyone. Today I'm just gonna be doing geometry now. You're not blind. You clicked on this video. You saw the title of the video. I'm sick today. Today we're gonna be playing Mangolic Feature. Why? I'm not a scientist. I don't need a reason to do stuff. Alright? Okay. Let's go. Oh, so good. Oh, so this is such a good level. This is such a bad gameplay. What? I randomly die when I click too early. What is this bullshit? Why do you have to time pads? This sucks. If I die now, I swear to, yeah.